Hello, people. So the thought has just occurred to me that the few people who watch my channel are invariably the ones who know me. So thank you, yeah, thank you so much for this, because it's not as if I'm particularly very smart or brilliant or even good looking or anything. But what I feel is, like it has been said that we tune into certain channels, into certain people and all, because we like their vibe, their vibration. So I've just realized that when I'm in a happy peppy mood, I have to make these happy peppy videos, so that it's like suddenly you'll find, on your screen, hello people. And I've had so many people, so many kya, at least two or three, who've started their own YouTube channel beginning with this line, hello people. So yeah. So each time I wear something new, I like to speak about it, right? So this is a druzy. It's called a druzy. It's basically a stone. So again, this stone keeps the mind very calm. No, yeah, for so many must be wondering, what is this lady, she's only talking of stones and all, but it's true. There's a science to it, yeah. And these stones are natural forming stones, right? So they come from the earth, so they are like, it's like little messengers from the earth. And at the same time, I've realized that in case you end up losing a crystal somewhere, so it falls off and all, that means उस crystal का journey आपके साथ उतने तक ही था, like उस वक्त के लिए ही था. This particular thought is, you can apply it to everything in life, to relationships, to people. So earlier I used to feel like very bad, oh my god, this is over, this is done. But no, yeah, it was meant to be only for that phase, and it was there, and you had a good time, and they've gone on their own journey, and you are also on your own journey. So this realization has made me very, very enlightened. So really, people, this is a druzy stone, and druzy stones are said to be more powerful than regular crystals, because they are in their more natural state. It is a druzy stone. It looks like a raisin, that material, but it is stone. So try and wear as natural stones as possible, and you'll really see the difference, as you can see in this video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.